Hello, welcome to the Magic Camera 3D Simulator tutorial. I'm Daniel Frajun, and in this video we are going to check about the weather system. Actually, much more than a weather system. You can simply understand by sliding here the time of the day, and you can not only change the time of the day, but you can understand what happens to the lighting, to the shadows, and to learn fast by observation. So what happens for the real life photographers? You need to go outdoors. You need to wait for the sun, and you start to take pictures, and then you need to compare your pictures to understand the difference between taking picture at 8 a.m., between 8 to 9 to 10, or at noon, and you should be the whole day there waiting to check the difference. Now you come here to the Magic Camera 3D Simulator and you slide, and you have the immediate understanding of what happens to the light. And not only, look, I'm with these sunny settings, but let's say I want clear sky without clouds. Yes, you have instantly. You ask and you have. Now let's say you want different clouds, and here you are. Let's see these clouds better. This is the shadow at, let's say, 2 now. But if I choose a cloudy day, what happens to the shadow? It should be softer, right? Because I have more clouds in the sky and the shadow should be softer. And if you are a photographer, you already know this, but if you are starting photography, probably you never realize that this is happening. So if you have a cloudy day, you have more clouds on the sky, and these clouds are behaving like a modifier that you saw on the previous video. So the bigger the modifier, the softer the shadow. So if we have clouds in the sky, we have super big, soft modifiers, soft boxes, let's say like this. So we have softer shadows. If we choose this cloudy number 2, we have different understanding of also darkening the day. So you have less light. You need to change your settings. You need to make more light come to the lens in order to have the proper exposure. So we can also come here and add the flash. So now we have a very nice exposure on the lady, okay, on the horse, but the sky is white because we didn't do this balance properly for the exposure of the sky. Sky is still more powerful than our light. So we should do the exposure for the sky in order to see these clouds, and then pump up our, let's say, for example, even only there, or like this. Yeah. Could be like this, for example. You have the light on the model, a little bit on the horse, and the environment it's okay, and you can play with these adjustments. You can put a little bit maybe bluish. It's a good composition, orange with the blue, not too much, and you can reduce the contrast to see more, or you can increase the contrast. Okay, now we have the understanding of the time of the day, the weather, and also heavy rain that should darken the scenario and place much more clouds, and also the storm. And now you have the very dark day. Okay, let's go back to our clear sky. I will go up to the sky. I will rotate Where is our sun? It's at 2 o'clock, so let's go to the beginning of the day. And where is our sun now? Might be there, right? Our sun is there, so we are going to see our sun going up the sky. But this is because we have this latitude and longitude as 0. But if we shift our latitude and longitude, we are going to see different path from the sun. So let's see like this, let's go like this. So look at the movement of the sun now. Let's choose even wider angle, just for you to have this understanding. So let's go for the pole and here is the sun going sideways. So this is, if you know your latitude and longitude, you can play with the settings and you are going to have the proper understanding of your city, your place. If we change now the time of the day, it's different shadows, because even if you want to see more shadows, you put more higher quality graphics. Now we have more shadows here for the trees and etc. So for example, my city is this time, but my friend's city is this time. So let's see how I can photograph there. Another setting is if you are going to check where is the moon. So for the last settings that we have here for the weather system, you don't need to wait anymore weeks to photograph the full moon or the new moon or whatever for the clear sky. So you just come here and you choose which moon do you want. And it's simple like this. So if you want a moon like this, you see, now you have a composition with the moon. It's very easy, very fast. Adjust your settings again to darken the moon a little bit and maybe have more light on these things, and again you have a different picture. And maybe you want to have the moon higher on the sky or lower. Understand that in real life you could never go back in time, but here you can. If you are with the moon here, oh my god, I lost, I need to wait for tomorrow, but tomorrow the moon might be not be like this, will be like this, and then it's not the same picture anymore. What will happen is that you come to the simulator, you place the moon on the way you like, and you choose the phase of the moon, and then you have a very beautiful picture to choose and to share with your friends and to say, look, I learned photography, I am doing this composition now, and then take the picture and share with your friends. That's it. Next video we are going to check the gallery system. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends if you like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to receive the notifications, because I'm going to prepare more videos for you about tutorials, about how to photograph, some techniques, some different things that it's very nice for you to learn. And also for the future updates of the Magic Camera 3D Simulator mobile app. That's it. Let me know if you liked, what's your suggestion for the updates for the app, and see you soon on next video. Bye bye.